Water. Water. A natural resources surrounding. A natural resource surrounding the Philippines. That's snakes. It tastes good. It's like a food that you drink. You can live without food, but not without water. Because the human body is made of 86% water. Mukhang totoo. Let's drink again. Cheers to all the people who study well. Like me. Let's go study.
Library.
Library. Hindi ako English Carabao. The skin. The pig. Mango pig. Let's taste kaka. Taste the mango pig. Why don't you want? Why don't you want? Ano mo gusto mo? Me first. Me first. You second. Are you kidding me?